Alright, so I got the 2000 Chevy Silverado 1500 with the 5.3 liter Vortec engine, two-wheel drive truck. I got this truck, it had a running motor, just needed some brake work. The brake lines were rusted out. Come to find out there was a coolant tube that leaked. Coolant got into one of the cylinders and snapped the rod, so I had to swap the motor out. I'm just showing the first startup of the motor I put in. It was a donor from like an 03 Silverado. And right here I put the manifold on just now, the exhaust manifold. I got new exhaust manifold bolts, put new gaskets and all that. Just want to show a quick close-up. That's the EGR valve and the bracket. You see the little tube coming from the exhaust manifold going out to the valve, and then the valve goes to the intake manifold where it recirculates the exhaust gases. Like I said, this is the first startup. It has like a misfire actually, but it's just because of, you know, beat spark plugs. I actually changed them and it sounds like way better, but just wanted to show this video of my first startup. It's been working on this truck for some months now. It's like a weekend project of mine. Alright, can you see the engine or? Can you see me? Sorry, let me stop.
About to initially start it. Project 1500. You check the fan, Joey? Everything is out clear? Did you check everything is clear? Nothing in the fan and all that? Yep.
In the future, I'll be posting more videos of it. Just right now, I just haven't been able to make many videos because it's hard to work on it and hold the camera at the same time. But definitely check out my Silverado playlist. I got a couple videos already of when I was swapping the motor in. And all right, we're gonna start the old Chevy up. Hopefully it starts. Oh, it's so slow.